In this video, we will update the password of a user. For that purpose, we need to re-authenticate the user first. We will be doing this in profile activity. So we will create a button for update password in activity_profile.xml, and then once we click on that button, we will display a pop-up dialog to update password. Button. Width 150. Height 50. ID will be btn_update_passwd. Text, update password. Or else, we will change width to wrap content. We will set minimum width to 150. Top to bottom of et_display_name. Margin top 10. Left to left of parent. Right to right of parent. Now, we will create reference for this button in profile activity. Once we click on this button, we need to show a dialog window. btn_update_passwd dot set on click listener. We will create a new method, let us say, update password. Void, update password. We need to create a dialog. Dialog equals new dialog. Context, this. And at the end, we need to display the dialog. So, dialog.show. We need to set a custom layout to our dialog. For that, dialog.setContentView. We will create a new layout in layout folder. Layout resource file, we will name it update_password. Here, we will display text in text view, create 3 edit text for email ID, existing password and new password. Then a button to update password. Text view. Width, wrap content. Height, wrap content. ID, tv_update_passwd. Text, enter details to update your password. Text size, 18. Text color, I will set blue color. Top to top of parent. Bottom to bottom of parent. Left to left of parent. Right to right of parent. Layout constraint vertical bias 0.25. Edit text. Width 250. Height 50. ID et_email. Hint, enter your email ID. Gravity, center. Input type, text email address. We will copy remaining attributes from text view and change the bias to, let us say, 0.45. Copy and paste the same edit text. This time, ID will be et_passwd. Hint, enter your password. Input type, text password. Remove top to top of, bottom to bottom of, and vertical bias. Instead, add top to bottom of et_email. Margin top 10. Copy and paste the second edit text once again. This time, ID will be et_new_passwd. Hint, enter your new password. Top to bottom of Now, we will create button. Width, wrap content. Height, 50. ID, btn_upd_passwd. Text, update password. Minimum width, 150. Top to bottom of et_new_passwd. Margin top 10. Left to left of parent. Right to right of parent. Now in profile activity, inside set content view, add.layout.update password. As of now, we will not add any background color or any further attributes to our pop-up dialog. We will apply those in the next video. Edit text, et_email equals dialog dot, find view by ID, a.id.et_email. Edit text, et_passwd equals dialog dot, find view by ID, a.id.et_passwd. Edit text, et_new_passwd equals dialog dot, find view by ID, a.id.et_new_passwd. Button, btn_upd_passwd equals dialog dot, find view by ID, a.id.btn_upd_passwd. Now, btn_upd_passwd dot, set on click listener. First, we need to check if all the values are entered or not. If et_email dot, get text dot, to string dot is empty, then et_email dot, set error, please enter email ID. Else if et_passwd dot, get text dot, to string dot is empty, then et_passwd dot, set error, please enter password. Else if et_new_passwd dot, get text dot, to string dot is empty, then et_new_passwd dot, set error, please enter new password. Now, if both password and new password are same, we need to display an error saying both cannot be same. Else if et_passwd dot, get text dot, to string dot equals et_new_passwd dot, get text dot, to string, then toast, new password cannot be same as existing password. Else, first we need to re-authenticate the user and then update the password. mauth.getCurrentUser.re-authenticate. For this, we need to provide credentials. Auth credential equals email auth provider.get credential. So we need to get the credential of the user whose email ID and password have been entered in pop-up dialog. So, email ID will be taken from et_email and password will be taken from et_passwd. Re-authenticate credentials dot on complete listener. Now, if task is successful, that is, re-authenticate is successful, we need to update the password. Else, we need to display the error message. If task dot is successful, mauth.getCurrentUser.update password et_new_passwd.getText.to string. Add on complete listener. So if the password is updated successfully, we will display a toast saying success. Else, we will display the error message. If task dot is successful, toast, password updated. Else, toast, task dot, get exception dot, get message dot, to string. Now, we need to add else part to the outer if task dot is successful. Or else, we will do one thing. For update passwords on complete, we will change task to task 1. Now, in Home Activity, we will create a button to open Profile Activity. So, open Home Activity and activity_home.xml. Here, we will create an image button. Width and height, wrap content. ID, let us say, imb_profile. Bottom to bottom of parent. Left to left of parent. Right to right of parent. Margin bottom, 10. Now, right-click on Drawable folder. Select New, Image Asset. Change icon type to Action Bar and Tab Icons. We will change name to IC_profile. I will select the clip art. I will select custom theme and apply black color. Click on Next and Finish. Now for image button, we will set this image asset as source. Source, drawable, IC_profile. Now, we will create reference for this image button in Home Activity. Image button, imb_profile. Whenever we click on this button, we need to open Profile Activity. imb_profile dot set on click listener. Intent equals new intent, Home Activity dot this Profile Activity dot class. Start activity, intent. Let us click on Run. Okay, I have made a mistake. I have created image button variable, but did not initialize it. imb_profile equals find view by ID, .id.imb_profile. I have made the same mistake in Profile Activity as well. btn_update_passwd equals find view by ID, .id.btn_update_passwd. And also, once the update password is successful, we will close the dialog along with displaying toast. Dialog.dismiss. Click on Profile button. Now, click on Update Password. Here, the text alignment is not perfect. We will set height and width of dialog, we add custom background, and also we will make corners rounded. Those, we will do in next video when we will be creating another layout for pop-up dialog. As of now, I will enter these values. I will enter my email ID. I will enter a wrong password. Now, I will enter correct password, but I will give the same password for new password as well. Finally, I will give a different password and click on Update. In the next video, we will look at deleting a user account.